Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s. And in today's video, I am really excited about today's video, guys, because I am going to be unboxing a special gift from Mintmongoose. They reached out to me and asked if I would like to try something from their jewelry box subscription. And of course, I have been dying to try something from Mintmongoose for the longest time. And I was so excited to finally get the opportunity to do so. So today we are going to be unboxing the Mintmongoose jewelry subscription. If you want to see what that's all about, just keep watching. We're getting into it right now. So like I said, guys, Mintmongoose reached out to me and they have sent me over one of their jewelry subscriptions, and I wanted to open it with you guys and show you what it's all about. If you have not heard of Mintmongoose, they are a jewelry subscription that you can join for as little as right at the $14 price point per month. It depends on how you sign up for Mintmongoose as to the price that you pay per month. If you sign up for the 12-month subscription, it's $13.99 per month. If you sign up for the 6-month commitment, then the price is $14.99. And if you go month to month, it's $16.99. You can customize your subscription based on what tone that you like for your jewelry, whether it is gold tone, silver, or rose gold. And then they also have options where you can add on a ring, you can add on earrings, you can add on t-shirts, all different sorts of things that you can do. You can also opt in to have your jewelry subscription paused if you don't want to get the jewelry subscription every month. So they do have lots of different options so that you can make the jewelry subscription fit your needs, fit your lifestyle. So yeah, I just thought that once I got to browsing around on the website, the way that they've got it set up and the options that are available, it is extremely nice to be able to customize the subscription to make it work for you. And they've just got it really set up very, very nice to do so. I will have a code. It is U50, then the number 50 to get half off your first month's box. So that's awesome too if you're interested in picking up this box for yourself. Let's get into it and let me show you what they've sent me, because wow, I'm really impressed with this. So first, I just want to show you the package came in this beautiful mailer. It was just gorgeous, the wrapping that it came in. Once I opened the mailer, and I have opened things up just so I'm not making a lot of noise for you. That can be somewhat irritating for some people, so I didn't want to be making all of that crinkly sound. But once you open it up, it is absolutely gorgeous. The package actually comes in this beautiful Tiffany blue ribboned package, and it's actually got like a wax stamp right here with the little mongoose on it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So delicately put together. The ladies over there did such a good job whenever they sent it out, and the package, you know, I just opened it right here. Then the jewelry itself came wrapped in this beautiful Tiffany blue tissue paper, and it came with 3 pieces. Each time that you get your subscription, it's going to have 3 pieces of jewelry in it. And so what I did receive, the first thing that I got, all the jewelry is going to come in a little mailer like this. And then inside of that, your jewelry is going to be protected in this nice little bubble wrap piece of paper. And the first thing that I got was this beautiful, beautiful pair of earrings that looks like this. They are so dainty, so pretty. Oh, I was just in love. I told the ladies over there that I really liked more of a vintage feel to my jewelry. So let me just get these on. We'll show you what those look like. Okay, and that's what the earrings are looking like. I am really, really liking these earrings. They're just absolutely beautiful. They're not too bulky. They're just perfect. They really do just go with anything. They're just open little ovals. Just absolutely perfect. And then the first necklace that they sent, I received 2 necklaces. And the first one is absolutely magnificent. It came, of course, wrapped in bubble wrap. And this is what this first necklace looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. You can make it longer or shorter. It does have an adjustable chain. It's adjustable. It has additional length of this amount. And it is so pretty. Let me put this on. I am just stunned. This is the shortest length. And I love the way that this looks. It's so pretty. Oh, I just really love the way that this looks. It is so pretty. I just think that with this shirt, it's just a beautiful, beautiful, perfect complementary tone. It's just really a nice piece. Just looks gorgeous. Just enough, not too much, just gorgeous. Oh, I am loving this piece. Oh. Then they sent over one more necklace, and this is quite long. It has the prettiest little sunflower right on the front. And this is just perfect if you are wanting to wear this even just, you know, as 2 necklaces. You just want to have on just one necklace that's shorter, one longer. Then this is just that perfect little layering piece. Or if you've got on more of, say, maybe a turtleneck, or even like a mock neck short sleeve shirt, this would just be that perfect look. Maybe not so much with this particular outfit, but it does have an adjustable length to it, so you are able to give it that adjustable shorter look, and then you could wear it like this. So I do like to wear them layered and have the length about at this particular, maybe on the shortest length, and then it sort of looks like this. So I do think that they're really pretty layered together, just with this one on its shortest length as well. So I'm just absolutely loving this particular subscription box. I cannot say enough thank yous to Mintmongoose for sending me this over. Do you guys get Mintmongoose? What do you think about it? I am absolutely loving these pieces right here. If you want to pick up the subscription, again, remember, they have given me a code for you guys. It is U50 and then the number 50. I'm going to leave their link and my discount code in my description box down below, so that if you want to pick this up, you can get 50% off your first box. I've checked it out. The code is up and working, so it's ready to go if you're wanting to pick one of these up for yourself. Again, thank you, Linda, so much over at Mintmongoose for sending me this. The pieces are absolutely gorgeous. I just am loving them. Thank you. Thank you so much. I just cannot tell you how much I appreciate this from you. It is just absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. And guys, don't forget, if you're wanting to snag one of these up for yourself, don't forget to use my code for 50% off. That is so awesome. The code's up and working. I've checked it out, and I appreciate you watching my video. I hope that you've enjoyed this video today. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, just click on the big red subscribe button down below if you think the channel is something that you're going to enjoy. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye till next time.